You're my everything. I love you through everything. Things I can't change are the reason you love me. These days, I'm letting go of things above me.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Taj, and I'm here with my family again. You know, little Papa Dog, yuck. And I'm here with Makai, and guess what? What are we doing today, Pop?
We are. My sister's getting her car today.
We are surprising Princess Kanaya. So, okay, I don't know what these little boys are doing behind me. It's kind of creeping me out, so I'm gonna take 7 steps forward. All right, okay. Yeah, so we don't have an official plan yet. We're just kind of winging it, but we're thinking we're gonna act like somebody hit a car outside.
But it's really her car.
Yeah, we gonna pull it. I don't know how we gonna spin this, but y'all gonna see. We gonna have the phones out.
I'm gonna hold it, so I gotta be like we're vlogging another video. To make it
he wants to hold.
What's your name? That's right. Like this, though.
What? Come on, y'all act like y'all ugly.
I'm good now.
I like them shades though. Cute. All right, let's go, y'all. We gonna play 21 questions. All right, so you want me to pull up with the car? Okay. Okay. Over here, Kanaya. Bye-bye. Come over here, Kanaya. We need to be close. I need to be able to see everybody. I'm gonna sit y'all down first.
I never played this before.
All right, y'all need to gather 21 questions. Y'all need to have y'all 21 questions. So,
we gotta ask questions?
Yes, I'm not gonna be just asking y'all. We gotta ask each other. Are y'all? All right, get y'all questions ready. I need you to write.
How many subscribers you got?
I got like 2.3 million. I wish. I got about 300, 400.
Right now. You gonna be getting me in here.
That's messed up. But you guess what? When I make it there.
I rented a car. It's in there. That big ring?
Nah, it's the teething tablets.
Makai. Girl, this is so great. It ain't gonna break this, my keys over there?
I hope not.
Yeah.
She probably was.
Yeah, she probably about to get this whole cut. Bro, Pebbles is dumb. You're gonna see.
She's recording?
Yeah, you're gonna see it.
So she
do stuff like that. And I didn't even realize that she do stuff to catch you slipping and shit. They don't mind me paying attention. We might as well play 21 questions now. Okay, I'm gonna start it off because I don't even know how to play this game, yo. Why did she do that? Pebbles gonna look at it and go get some off guards of us and put it in our watch. You know how like some bloopers. I just asked if she recording. You know, like the never have you ever, they like never have I ever, and you say it. Yeah, like, but that's not 21 questions. But I'm saying, for 21 questions, do you say like? I don't know. How do you do 21 questions? Never have I ever. But that's not 21 questions. She doing hers like a 21 question. She knows she. With the hook I did, I just bent it. They're gonna go to Aggie. Who's that? Not here. Why he not there? Where's Pebbles? She had to get something for kids. So we went, yeah, come on. Hey, you thought I don't even know how to stop the recording. Turn the camera off now.
Can you feel it?
Yeah, turn this. Pebbles thought she was slick, gonna leave it on all the time. We didn't even know it was recording all the time. She just went on you. Now, we supposed to play 21 questions. Oh, y'all playing 21 questions? No, we don't know how. That's why we was waiting on her. She don't know how to play it.
So what it is somebody makes 21 questions, right? And y'all write down y'all answers, but you can't let the other person see the answers. So like one person asks a question, you write down your answer.
You can turn it off. You don't want to know how to. I really don't, though.
Yeah. So we are about to get the car. We got Big Matt driving us up. Oh, what happens next is I'm gonna call you, right? Which way do you want me to come? This way, right? Because it's closer, or should I drag it down the street? Come this way. Okay. But make sure, Lawrence, if you do pull out your phone, make sure it's like this. All right. I'm excited, y'all.
I'm getting back in my sister's car. This stuff got air conditioning.
He said he getting in his sister's car.
Why would you want to put eye drops in?
Yeah, but you can put it in your eye. He's just weird. Is he really doing it?
Yes. You're retired.
That boy weird. So we parked the car like right around the corner from my house to like hide it undercover or whatever. So we're going to pick it up. Y'all left it parked where it was at, right? Mm-hmm. All right, so first right. And I got the other video recording on at the house, so like she think is, you know, she think we're about to do 21 questions right now, and I got her and her friends being recorded. They just chatting it up. I want to get their initial reaction when we be like, yo, the car got hit or whatever, and she come out. So you going? So look, y'all, I done hooked her car. I done hooked her car up, y'all. I'm super excited. Look what I. You know she ready. Look at her car. Look at the. She got to push to start. You already know. I don't even got that on my car. I'm really jealous. No funny. Like, I mean, it's push to start, but I'm talking about the starter ignition outside the car. That's what she got. Ooh. All right. We about to drive, but I got to stop the video because I'm going to have to text Lawrence. Stop the video, y'all, because I'm going to have to tell Lawrence to, you know, do the whole action of.
We got the air conditioner on?
Yo, you man hot, boy. Calm down. What's up with you? All right, ready?
All right, you want to text him?
All right. No, not yet. I'm gonna text him when we get to.
So we driving
right now?
now?
Let me call him right now.
All right, yep.
Because we're actually really close. And look at her steering wheel. It's all puffy. This mad cute, right?
Yeah.
We hooked this car up.
Look at the seat.
Ah, look at this seat.
The seat.
Yeah.
All right, call him.
All right, call him. All right, we about to call him. Hold on, y'all. Check out the rims.
Yeah, let's check out the rims, yo. Okay.
Okay, get in the car. Let me see some. You like your sister car or what? We checking it out.
Hey, look at her seats. Look at her seats. All right, we about to make it suspicious. So let's go. Let's go.
It didn't work.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
We out. Start beeping.
First of all, you gotta hold it because I'm driving.
All right,
make sure you get it on both of us.
All right.
Be a good videographer.
Look at it. Hey, let's see your driving skills. Let's see your driving skills, yo. Hey, let's see how you drive. Let's see the motion.
Excited.
Let's see the motion. Hey, we about.
What car is that down there, yo? You and somebody just hit that joint and drove away. That's your car? Yeah. Let's go. Look at the joint, yo. Where's Pebble? Al, tell her to come on. Where is Pebbles at?
Wait, not down there.
Where?
Down there. No. Yeah. Somebody just hit it?
I am going to kick Pebbles' butt.
Look. Where's that? I don't know, but I'm about to get up.
But whose car is she driving?
Whose car is that?
No, whose car is that?
All right. They keep calling us. Beep. Keep beeping. Hey! Look at that!
Yes, that's your car. Well, they finally gave my baby her car. Cash dollars, sis. No car payment, no nothing. Yes, y'all. You gotta thank your Uncle Freddie. Your Uncle Freddie put the lights in. That's what she did. Let's hear. Kanai,
What did you think we were doing? What did you think we were doing? I knew you ain't have no idea. She talking about I was confused. That's what she did. Just glad that's not in the movie. No. Oh my God. Sis, did sis come through for you? You know how long you had this scar? It's been at your Uncle Freddy's, it's been at Cheryl's, it's been in the back of Tina's. I can't breathe.
We hooked the interior up for you. That's all nice, Mom.
Hey, you got your favorite color in the car.
She can't breathe. Look at my mom get in the car.
That furry thing cute. Where you get that?
Oh, I got that. Yeah, we bought you all the interior stuff.
Oh, look, Jean. I'm shaking. I thought somebody really hurt her car. It had me scared. Like, y'all just gonna let her hit her car? And then Pebbles taking forever. We like, okay.
I keep calling Lawrence and he's not answering.
I told you Lawrence was outside. I'm on double sweat. Okay, can you park it? So
Yeah. Park your car.
Somebody really hit her car.
Park your door.
No, go for a test drive.
That's your car, Kanaya. Get in your car, Kanaya. Get in your car. She about to cry. Stop playing with me. This is all yours, yo.
So why you want to play all day? I really thought somebody hit her car.
She about to cry, yo. She about to cry. She about to cry.
Thank you, Uncle Freddy. Your Uncle Freddy put the lights in. Your goddamn.
Hold on, let me get in. Let me get in.
Pebbles, I was really scared. Why y'all want to play all day? Like, that's all y'all
got him.
Come on. Huh? What?
What do you think we were doing?
I don't know.
I knew you didn't have no idea.
I was confused.
Look, we chilling in Kanaya car, yo.
Oh, it is lit.
It's lit. We in Kanaya car. You heard us?
Oh, it's lit.
It's lit. Look at the ferry. Look at the. Oh. Oh.
It's lit. Had me thinking I didn't have a car.
That's why I kept asking you when your friends was coming. When your friends coming, like
I never paid no attention.
I know. Good.
None.
Yes.
And then I kept asking where Pebbles go.
Yeah, and
then my mom was like, she had to do something.
Remember I left the video camera on?
Yes.
We
turned it off.
Oh, I wanted
to tell you was trying to get bloopers of me. We didn't notice till like 10 minutes later. But that's recording the whole time. Yes.
But so nobody got the initial. That's why I kept it on.
For real?
Yeah.
I really thought somebody hit her car.
Dang. So I didn't capture when they went back there because she turned her camera off. They caught me. But I was trying
like Lawrence, did you see, like Lawrence really played it off.
Oh, he did?
He's like, yo, who car is that out there? They really just hit it. I'm like, nah. He's like, yes, it drove away.
Nah, I wasn't
Then
here.
he
I was
started
driving the
running,
car.
so we started running too.
Oh, y'all did?
Yes.
See, I needed to get all that on camera.
Yeah,
See, that would have been popping. Yo, he did it. I got my cousin. We surprised her.
Oh my
We surprised her.
God.
We in Kanaya car. We in Kanaya car.
Yes.
You had this car.
I've been at it.
Yeah,
It's
you
been
had
at
to
Uncle
take
Freddy's.
yeah.
It's been at Cheryl's.
We've been
For
bringing
real?
it, yeah.
I knew. I'm like, she can't have it because wherever she put it, like, you can't keep a secret. So I'm like, how she? I just
Because
told
they
her
got
this
her
has been the
car.
hardest thing for me to do ever. Jada got me a car.
We in Kanaya car.
Huh? Oh, you knew? Yeah, she knew. Oh, y'all just
Listen, y'all, I just want to make sure y'all like, share, and comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned and shout out to my little cousin for driving her new car. She got to push the start, and I don't even got it.
It is a push the start.
I don't even got it. No, I'm talking about your automatic start. Excuse me.
The automatic
start.
Look at the wheel. Bro, your guy that paid $350 for your automatic start.
And we are out. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned.